Hi there, welcome to this AWS tutorial series. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how you can create a S3 bucket using AWS console. So let's get started. First of all, you need to sign into your AWS console by clicking on here. That will take you to the list of services page. Then click on the services, S3, that will take you to the S3 page. Over here, you can create or delete your buckets. Let's create a new bucket first. So hit on the create bucket. Over here, you can specify your name. I'm gonna type free AWS tutorials. So that's my bucket name. You can specify the region who I want to host. So EU Frankfurt. Over here, you can see there are no buckets. So I'm going to click on next. That will create the bucket. Over here, you can specify the versioning or the object level. Over here, you can specify the tags if you want. I'm going to add a tag just in case, AWS tutorial, and the value is dev. So you can save, you can identify your buckets later on. Then you click on next, and over here you can specify who is do you want to give the access to the public, or you don't want, or if that's like you can grant public read or write access over here, or if you don't want to give the public the read or write access, you can just skip it. So I'm going to click on next, and as you can see here, the region where you want to host, and the versioning is disabled. I have just added one tag. Then you just click on create bucket, and that will create a whole new bucket for you. And there you go, it's free AWS tutorial. Over here, whatever you want, you can just upload. For example, I want to upload my PEM file. So you click on upload, add files, and you can just go to downloads, and I'll just put this funny picture, best PNG. Click on next, and that's it. I've just uploaded my first image file into the bucket. So over here you can store your images, videos, any other files you want. So that's it, guys. You just learned how you can create a S3 bucket just in 2 minutes. Thank you.